Okay, Inner Decay, Slave to the Wage. I think it's a good song to show you how to do the palm mutes. Okay, so palm mute is basically your palm here, muting the strings, so you're getting that nice chunky crunch sound. So if you were hitting this chord, which is part of the song, it's open like that, but if you were palm muting, you're, or if a single note. All right, so the beginning of that song is just a chord, right? So you're gonna hit it. Okay, so on the fifth, okay. Okay, so you can hear the difference in there. If I were just to hit it as a note by itself without palm muting, you're getting a lot of ring out, but with the palm mute, you're palm muting it down. Getting a lot heavier than right there. Okay, so you're doing the technique with the open. So there's two palm mutes, two palm mutes and open, then here. And then you're palm muting the whole chord. Okay. Okay, so that's the beginning of it. And then it goes to a single note, which is all palm muted. There's no ring outs. So you get to that last note, and then it's going to go into the other riff. But that's the basics of palm muting, and I thought it was a very good song to demonstrate how that works. So open chords, palm mutes, right? And then just all palm mute. All right, if you like tablature for that song, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you need any help or if you want me to show a different demonstration of palm mutes. But that's it. See you in the next one.